So in the last video, we covered how to read your credit report and what red flags you should look for. If you found something wrong, an account that isn't yours, a payment marked as past due that you actually paid, or a balance that's off, then this is your next step. So here's exactly how to dispute on your report step by step. So I'm Jordan. Welcome to Credit Able Jordan. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So before we get into the steps, you need to know this is not a favor that the bureaus are doing for you. It is your legal right. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA, every bureau is required by federal law to investigate any dispute that you file within 30 days. If the item can't be verified as accurate, it must be removed. No negotiation, no exceptions. That's the law. Use it. Here are the 4 steps that you need to follow so you can actually dispute the error the right way. Step 1, you want to pull your reports and document the error. You want to get your reports from all 3 bureaus at annualcreditreport.com and save copies. For each error, write down the account name, what's wrong, and what the correct information should be. The more specific you are, the harder it is for the bureau to say that the dispute is not accurate or it's too vague. Step 2, you want to dispute with the bureau directly. Each bureau has an online portal. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion all have them. You can do this by mail, or you can do it online. You want to screenshot every step and save your confirmation number. If you do dispute it by mail, you want to send it by certified mail so that you have proof that it was delivered. 1 error per dispute. Don't bundle everything into 1 letter. Be specific and document it. And single issue disputes are what the system is actually built to respond to. And step 3, you want to try to dispute it with the original furnisher. This is the step most people skip, and it's critical. So the furnisher is the lender or the collection agency that reported the error in the first place. Even if the bureau corrects it, if the furnisher keeps reporting the wrong information, it will reappear on your report next month. So you want to try to dispute it at the source so the fix sticks. Step 4, you want to track the 30-day clock and follow up. So the bureau has 30 days to investigate. After that, you want to pull your updated report and compare it to the original. If the item was corrected, make sure you document it. If it was marked as verified but you have strong proof that it's wrong, you can file a follow-up that has that additional evidence. So before we get into what to keep on file, if your dispute comes back as verified but you know it's wrong, or if you're dealing with identity-related errors or collections that keep reappearing, then the team at improveview.io can help you navigate the process professionally. Any business funding links are also down there too. Everything is below. Now let's talk about the paper trail. So here's what to keep on file throughout the entire process, because if this ever escalates, your paper trail is everything. Keep copies of every letter you send. Keep copies of every bureau response you receive. Keep the documents you sent in, bank statements, payment confirmations, anything showing the error, and keep a dated log of every step you took and when. If a bureau repeatedly fails to correct a clear error, the FCRA gives you the right to take legal action, including potential statutory damages of $100 to $1,000 per violation. That paper trail is what makes that case. So here's your action plan. You want to pull your reports at annualcreditreport.com. You want to also try to document the error specifically. You want to dispute with the bureau and the original furnisher at the same time. You want to track that 30-day window and keep everything in writing. Most errors get corrected in the first round when it's specific and documented. The process works. You just have to work it correctly. So please subscribe to Credit Able Jordan for the next video, and you can drop a comment as well or any questions if you'd like. So I'm Jordan, and we will see you in the next video. All right, take care.